Hello. So this issue is on Print Invoices page on Firefox browser. This issue is specific to the Firefox browser and it's working as expected on Chrome. So the issue is basically when we select any invoice for printing. I clicked on print icon here for this particular invoice. Okay, I got this message. I clicked on OK. This invoice got downloaded here, and this page keeps loading endlessly. The spinner doesn't disappear. User have to refresh the entire page in order to see the list of invoices. Yeah, that's an issue. Thank you.